always remember it's in modulus. Modulus means even if you get the minus answer for this, you'll have to take this plus. Now it's easy to remember this formula. See this x1 2 3, it's always 1 2 3, x1 y2 y3, x2 y3 y1, okay, and x3 y1 y2. Always take in the sequence, okay. So let's move on. Therefore area equals to 1 upon 2 into x1 is 1, y2 is 4, and this y3 is minus 2. So 4 minus minus 2 plus 3 into similarly others, minus 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 1 minus 4. So solve them, you will get minus 9. But what did we say? It's modulus. So modulus of minus 9, that is 9. Okay. So area of triangle ABC is 9. Now we want area of triangle ADC. See this figure, same formula again. 1 upon 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3. So x1 into 1 into this minus 2 plus 7, because it's minus y3, plus 5 into minus 7 minus 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 2. Do it yourself. We want x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, solve this and you will get minus 11.5. So modulus, it becomes 11.5. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is 9 plus 11.5, that is 20.5 square units. Okay, that's the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.